Well, you're spending a lot more time at home. You're spending a lot more time at home, and you maybe can't hit up your favorite happy hour spot, but you can be your own bartender. Well, the Princess of Fire, Gay Jones, stepped away from the grill just long enough to show us she can make a mean cocktail. See what she can do with just 4 ingredients.
In these turbulent times, you might be thinking about the occasional liquid distraction. With our stay-at-home lifestyles these days, there's spawned an entire new tongue-in-cheek naming of those libations. They're called quarantine cocktails. They're really just riffs on your old favorites, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quarantini. It's easy to make, it's delicious, and best of all, it uses just 4 ingredients. You've probably got them all at home right now. So here's what you'll need. 3 ounces of your favorite vodka. I'm a big fan of Kansas City's own J. Rieger vodka. You can also use gin if you'd like. Just a tablespoon of honey and 2 ounces of lemon juice. Now here's the riff on it that makes it a quarantini. We're going to be using powdered vitamin C for the edge of your glass or the rim. So here's how that works. Take your glass, dip it in a little bit of water, shake it off, and then dip it in that powdered vitamin C. And it's gonna fuzz up a little bit. It's gonna get a little bit of foaming action. That's kind of what makes it fun. And now we are ready for your cocktail. Just combine those 3 ingredients into a cocktail shaker. Give it a little bit of shake. Just to get everything all combined. And then strain it into your cocktail glass. You can add a little lemon garnish if you want to be extra fancy. And there you have the Quarantini.
That's an inspiration for us all to raise a toast. And Gay, I am here for anything that boosts your vitamin C, so cheers to that.